There's my sweet doggy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna clean the master bedroom. As you can tell, most of it is just clothes and shoes and bags, things like that. But I've just gotten out of hand. I do need to do some dusting. There's my sweet doggy. So yeah, I have to clean a lot.
Know my name and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him? Oh, 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 oh. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. He doesn't know my name. You hear them calling, shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like you're falling, now who is to blame? Wishing you'd only be more like them. Over and over, you cry yourself to sleep, and you're colder, much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came? Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say? And we'll shout it out, louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful.
The green duster that you see me using is a Libman duster, and it has a removable head that you can throw in the wash. It is so lovely to use, and it does not fall out. The dust stays in and does not create a mess. So I highly recommend it. I'll try to find it and leave it in the description box below.
Now set your sails on high, and you're stronger, much stronger than they will ever be. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, perfect as you are, just the way you are. Keep on shining.
Thanks guys for watching. Our bedroom actually is going to get a facelift next year with fresh paint and wall decor. So be on the lookout for a master bedroom reveal in the future. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite room to decorate is, because I would love to know. See you in the next one. Bye.